Alright, let's listen to the textbooks and answer some questions, okay?
1967, the social psychologist Stanley Milgram did a remarkable experiment. Milgram was interested in a hypothesis that many researchers were discussing at that time. The hypothesis was that if you viewed the world as a huge network of acquaintances, the world was, in a certain sense, small. In other words, any one person in the world could be reached through a network of friends in only a few steps. It was called the small world problem, after an amusing conversation. Two strangers meet at a party, talk a little while, and discover that they have a mutual acquaintance. They say to each other, "What a small world it is." The party observation is not really the same as the small world problem that Milgram was studying. It is true that we seem to run into mutual acquaintances with surprising regularity. But this has more to do with our tendency to pay attention to the things that surprise us than it does with social networks. What Milgram wanted to show was as follows. Even when I don't know someone who knows you, in other words, all those times we meet people and don't end up saying, "What a small world," I still know someone who knows someone who knows someone who does know you. Milgram's question was, how many someones are in the chain?
Okay, I will ask you some questions, okay? In the hypothesis, could any one person in the world be reached through a network of friends? Yes, any one person could. What was it called? It was called the small world problem. Why was it called the small world problem? After a conversation between two strangers at a party, they discovered they have a mutual acquaintance, and what do they say to each other? They say to each other, what a small world it is. Is the party observation the same as the small world problem that Milgram was studying? No, it isn't. Do we run into mutual acquaintance with surprising regularity? Yes, we do. Then what does it have to do with? It has more to do with our tendency to pay attention to the things that surprise us. Okay, see you soon. Goodbye.